Tailor Brands LLC Formation Review. What is Tailor Brands LLC formation? Tailor Brands isn't just for logos. They also help you legally from an LLC in your state. You fill out a simple form, choose your state, and they handle the paperworks, like filing articles of organization, getting you EIN, and more depending on your package, price, and features. Their LLC plans range from basic to premium. Basic plans include filing your LLC, no EIN, no extras. Standard plan adds an EIN and operating agreement. And their premium plan includes business email, domain, and tools for branding. Note, price do not include your state's filing fees. Pros: extremely beginner-friendly. Combines LLC plus branding tools. Fast processing. And great for solo entrepreneurs who want everything in one place. Cons: higher price than some competitors, some upsells during checkout, and limited support compared to traditional legal services. So, is it worth it? If you are starting a small business and want to handle LLC, branding, and online presence in one dashboard, Tailor Brands is super convenient. But if you are just looking for basic LLC formation at the lowest cost, other services may be cheaper. Overall, Tailor Brands is ideal for new founders who valued convenience over savings. So that's it.